Snippets.com.
Hello, welcome to Zoom Snippets. We're all going through the effects of the pandemic, so I've decided to make your life easy and give you some basic how-to tips for Zoom, so you won't find yourself lost when you're getting to know this software. So without further ado, let's begin. So right before we start, there are different segments in this video to access different parts. So I'm going to be discussing with you how to download Zoom on Windows, iPad or iPhone, and the Android Play Store. So the segments actually allow you to go to different parts of this video and you can see what you already know and what you don't, and you can confirm it here. Alright, after I discuss with you how to download Zoom, I'm going to tell you some basic requirements. Alright, so let's begin with Windows. Alright, so here's the Zoom website. You want to go to zoom.us. Once you do that, you got to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the download button. This takes you to the Zoom Download Center. So you have here Zoom Client for Meetings. All you have to do is click this button and it'll immediately install Zoom for you and open the installation guide. Alright, let's move on to iPhone and iPad. Alright, so here I have an iPhone. I'm going to show you how to download Zoom. So you go to the App Store and you want to search for Zoom and you want to download Zoom Cloud Meetings. Alright, now we can move on to the Android Play Store. Alright, so you want to do the same thing for an Android device. Just go to the Google Play Store, type Zoom, and you just click on Zoom Cloud Meetings. Alright, so that's it for how to download. Now I'm going to talk about some requirements. So you may be wondering in which cases you need a Zoom account. So the only time you need a Zoom account is when you want to host a meeting and if you want all the features. Otherwise, if you're just using Zoom to join, you don't necessarily need a Zoom account. So I hope that settled all of your confusions and problems with downloading and starting with Zoom. In the next episode or snippet, I'm going to be talking about how to use the interface itself. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next snippet. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.